How to cancel send friend requests on Snapchat. Now, if you recently sent friend requests on Snapchat and you want to remove them, this is the right video for you. Basically, we want to open up the Snapchat application right here. And once inside, you simply want to click on your profile icon. Once inside your profile icon, you can just go ahead and scroll down, and from here you want to click on the Add Friends menu. Inside Add Friends, as an example, let's go ahead and add someone random right here, this person. And from there, you can just go ahead and click on the three dots at the corner of your screen. Once inside, this menu will show up where you have to click on Recently Added by Me. In my case, I have 3% right here. And let's just say that I want to remove this person. So I'll just go ahead and click on it. And right after clicking on the person right here, you want to click on this button, which is the three dot once more. And inside, you can just go ahead and click on Manage Friendship. From here, you want to select the Remove Friend, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.